Top 5 Best Nail Guns for Concrete. Number 5. Woodpecker ST64 Pneumatic Concrete T-Nailer. The Woodpecker ST64 Pneumatic Concrete T-Nailer is one of those tools that quietly turns frustration into satisfaction. Built with a die-cast aluminum body, it's tough enough for job sites where dust and fatigue are part of the air, yet light enough to swing all day without regret. What really stands out is the thought behind safety and speed. The thickened safety frame won't let it fire unless it's pressed against the surface, a small detail that keeps big accidents away. The magazine loads smooth, locks firm, and holds up to 100 nails. That means less stopping, less cursing, more doing. And for those who fought with sliding hammers or ram sets on old concrete floors, this thing feels like a small miracle. It drives T-nails into tough surfaces in seconds, leaving tracks firm and flush. The oversized handle and front exhaust make it surprisingly firm and flush. The oversized handle and front exhaust make it surprisingly friendly for long shifts. Perfect for framing, decking, or any battle with stubborn concrete. On soft ground, it's overkill. On old concrete, it's a lifesaver. Fast, safe, and built for those who want to work smart, not just hard. Coming in number 4. Worx Nitro 20V 18GA Cordless Brad Nailer. The Worx Nitro 20V 18GA Cordless Brad Nailer shows what freedom looks like in a workshop. No hose, no compressor, no gas, just clean power. Nail Force air impact technology drives up to 2 inches brads into hardwood and does it fast, up to 80 nails per minute, while the PowerShare battery plugs into 140 plus other Worx tools. Depth comes out right, wood stays clean, and a built-in light plus a low nail indicator with dry fire lockout keep work flowing. Jams, tool-free release. Reloads, quick load magazine, and a simple countersink tweak. Real job notes. Trim and molding run smooth. 8 doors worth of casing needs only a whisper of putty. Beginners feel safe thanks to an anti-ejection design and easy controls. Veterans appreciate consistent shots and the battery that lasts longer than expected. The one trade-off is weight. Hold it overhead for long, and the forearm protests. Still, the value is strong. Performance of bigger names at a friendlier price. Bonus: customer support shows up like a good foreman. Responsive, generous, and fast with fixes. For panel molding, window trim, small baseboards, and weekend courage, this nailer earns its spot on the first hook. Coming in number 3. Freeman PCTN64 Pneumatic. The Freeman PCTN64 Pneumatic T-Nailer is a straight-talking workhorse made for serious jobs, the kind that mix wood, steel, and concrete without mercy. Its 14-gauge T-nail system, from 2-inch to 2.5 inch, handles decking, fencing, subfloors, or even hardy siding like it was built for them. Because it was. Inside, a one-piece hardened steel drive blade and anodized aluminum body take daily punishment without complaint. Every part feels like it was engineered by someone who hates downtime. The fire lock feature adds a layer of sanity, keeping shots off until it's pressed and ready. The ergonomics are quietly excellent. The comfort grip handle eases long shifts, the lightweight frame keeps shoulders happy, and the 360-degree adjustable exhaust makes sure the air goes anywhere but your face. It's industrial power anywhere but your face. It's industrial power with just enough grace to stay in control. For builders, framers, or anyone who's ever fought a nail into concrete, this gun feels like relief. It's not about flash, it's about speed, safety, and doing the hard work without the hard part. A solid reminder that the best tools don't shout, they just get the job done perfectly. Coming in number 2. Freeman PSSCP Pneumatic. The Freeman PSSCP Pneumatic Concrete Nailer is what happens when practicality beats pyrotechnics. Forget the powder cartridges, the noise, and the OSHA nightmares. This gun trades all that for clean, consistent air power. It drives 24-inch to 3-inch concrete pins straight into walls, blocks, or slabs, fastening wood, steel, or thin metal without the drama. Built around a hardened steel drive blade, it feels solid, balanced, and smartly simple. The comfort grip and recoil spring make long days feel shorter, and the 360-degree swivel exhaust quietly saves faces from flying dust. It's not the loudest, not the flashiest, but it gets the job done again and again. Sure, it might take 2 or 3 shots for tougher pins, but air is free and reliability is priceless. Users switching from Hilti or Ramset systems notice the difference instantly. No powder, no cleaning, no cartridges, no certification headaches. Just hook it to a compressor and go. Perfect headaches. Just hook it to a compressor and go. Perfect for basement framing, decking, or any project where concrete fights back. This tool doesn't just fire nails. It fires a small revolution in how pros and DIYers anchor to hard surfaces. Quiet power, honest results, and zero fuss. Coming in number 1, Metabo HPT Framing Nailer NR90AES1. The Metabo HPT NR90AES1 Framing Nailer is one of those rare tools that earns its reputation the old-fashioned way, by performing flawlessly, shot after shot. Lightweight at just 7.5 pounds, this 21-degree plastic-collated nailer feels balanced in hand, quick to aim, and surprisingly gentle on the arm after hours of overhead framing. It handles 2-inch to 3.5-inch nails like a champ, driving them flush or deep with a simple toolless depth adjustment. Switching between sequential and contact nailing takes one flip of a switch. No fumbling, no wasted time. Built from solid materials and backed by a 5-year warranty, it's engineered for the long haul. Contractors love it for flooring, trusses, roof decking, and wall sheathing, while DIYers appreciate its forgiving handling and clean results. Real-world use tells the story. Over 2,000 nails fired with zero jams, smooth countersinks, and barely any fatigue. The only quirk? A wide hanger and a slight pointy nose that can dent softer wood. Minor details in an otherwise elite performer. Pro-preferred nailer for 7 straight years, this tool doesn't brag. It just builds faster, cleaner, and smarter. The kind of gear that model into a rhythm.